My man here is taping the GoPro into an axe. It could be the most amazing thing we've ever done, or it could be the dumbest idea. That's why people have never really done it before.
It was the first time for everything, man.
Axe cam. Let's see how this goes. You have here Carl?
And Addison.
We are now here at Axeplosion. So, you know, we did that video on Axeplosion before. The owners really liked it, so they wanted us to promote their 2 new locations, one in Aurora and one in Buffalo Grove. So we're here today, and you know, one of our stipulations was we're gonna need our friends and fellow YouTubers. So today, who you'll see is Chris Van Eerden is actually gonna be, I don't think he's gonna ride his bike, but he's actually gonna drive over here. So we're pretty excited to see him and his family. The other thing we're really excited to see too is we're gonna have Maria and Nabol. They're food travel folks that is here in Chicago. They do travel videos, food videos. They're pretty popular, so we're very honored to have them here. So we're gonna have a great time. So let's go.
Bullseyes are worth 6 points, and the 2 blue dots at the top of each target are called kill shots. They are worth 8 points. Nevertheless, whenever you throw your axe, wherever the surface of the blade enters the target and wherever it exits is where your scoring distance is. If your blade is touching any of the lines on the target, you are always awarded the higher point value. For the bullseye to count, you must break that inside red paint. If there is no red paint, there is no bullseye.
Oh, and there's that. Oh, Addison, I think I caught it. Great job. Look at this. Even Addison can hit a bullseye. Woo!
How you doing, guys? My name is Adrian. I'm one of the head coaches here at Axeplosion, and I've got some news for you. Buffalo Grove showcasing a total of 10 ranges with 20 targets to be able to destroy to your chaotic destructicism desires. Now we've got a total of 22 targets with 11 ranges in Aurora, all with a combined total of 15,000 square feet with Lombard, Aurora, and Buffalo Grove. And guess what? It's not just that. We specialize in corporate team building exercises, private parties, whether it be a bachelorette party, bachelor party, birthday parties, whatever your heart desires. And we're also here if you just want to stress relieve and just go ahead and throw to your heart's desire. With all that stuff coming up, we hope to see you guys getting all hyped up and seeing you guys here real soon. We'd love to throw some axes at you guys, so we'll see you on.
All right, I had a good idea. Let's see if this actually works. My man here is taping the GoPro into an axe. But let's see how this goes. It could be the most amazing thing we've ever done, or it could be the dumbest idea. That's why people have never really done it before.
It was the first time for everything, man. That's actually on there really sturdy.
Whoa, look at that. Hold on, wait, let me turn it on.
I can't, we won't be able to tell if it's on or not, is it? Right, it's on.
Yeah, the red light! Camera on a camera. Axe cam. Let's see how this goes. Let's do this. Let's go over there. Axe cam.
Gotta get a bullseye.
Ah! He did it! Woo! Champ of the world! Champ of the world!
There it is, man.
Axe cam!
Awesome.
We had a
Love it.
wonderful time. A lot of energy. I just want to keep playing over and over again.
We got some expert axe throwers about to leave. What'd you guys?
It was really nice.
Was it your first time?
Oh, yes.
What did you think? Like the first time? What did you expect and what
It's
happened?
amazing. I mean, we expected probably not as much, but it's amazing.
Now we've got one freshly grinded axe. Let's see what you got.
All right, look who we got here. It's Mr. Chris Van Eerden. What's up, my man? First time meeting. What's up, my man? Look at this. And the kids, all the YouTube stars.
All right, hey guys, I'm here with Carl.
How's it going?
Yeah, good to meet you in person. Yeah, so we're gonna check out the axe throwing here.
Axe throwing. Whoa! Let's go.
Yeah, we gotta see what's going on inside.
Oh, lightning! I got it on my video. Let's go in. She was really excited. She's like, she couldn't believe that you were coming. She's like, oh, Miss Chris is coming from Michigan. So that's my wonderful wife. It's like we know each other. For being a Patreon and a friend of the channel.
That's for Tony.
You got the actual, so we have a Millennium Park video coming out in a few weeks. And so we wanted to make sure we gave it personally. You don't get to usually do that. You know, we usually mail that to you guys. So hope you guys enjoy it. Thank you for your support. Thanks.
Right in the middle, too.
This is what a Santos Chronicles wife does. This is my team member for the zombie apocalypse.
Yes.
High five. This is Banana and None. You've seen them in you've seen them in a lot of my other vlogs. Area 51, Vegas, the wedding. Banana None is everywhere. And why wouldn't they be at Axeplosion? That sucker looks sharp. I think you sharpened that. All right, guys. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh! The nun gets it! Ah, high five, man. That's how you do it. Here's the YouTube sensations. Maria the Ballsy! Ready for some axe throwing. Oh, thank you very much for coming. Yeah, give me a hug, guys. Yeah, I feel like I know you guys. You know, this man is the voice. No, seriously, seriously, you have a really natural vibe. Like, you can sell the voice. I cannot. I'm just the hype man. That is my, go!
I get hyped up when you get hyped up.
Yeah.
My voice, oh my God. Like, it's funny that you say that because in the beginning I hated my voice.
Yeah.
Like just hearing myself,
Yeah.
oh, I would cringe so hard. But then by little I just got used to it.
I'm gonna film this, guys.
Oh! If you're in a zombie apocalypse, you need Maria. All right, well, look at all these people. Vloggers, yeah! This is amazing. Oh, Chris gets it.
I got nervous.
I can't compete, man. I can't compete.
Zombie killer.
Zombie killer! Oh!
I feel like I'm getting the hang of it.
Yeah. I've had quite a few throws that have been successful. A lot, not so much, but I'm getting the hang of it.
I'm just winning. I'm winning.
She is winning. So my daughter really wanted everybody's signature.
Yeah? I tell her.
I gotta check out that vlog.
Look at that. Don't forget to subscribe, like, hit the notification bell for all our channels.
Ding.
Yes. Woo! Till our next journey. Bye.
All right, Carl, if you ever get to this video, because you're gonna have so much to edit.
Yeah.
He's gonna have like 10 hours. This is your little surprise. I don't know, what are we gonna do? Like moon him or, I don't